Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. I welcome you again in the session of class 4, subject English speaking. Today, our topic is how to prepare for examination, and this is lecture 1 for it. As you know that your examinations are approaching, so that's why I am going to tell you how to prepare for the examination. And dear students, please listen carefully because you have to give your views in the online classes. I hope you understood. So listen carefully. Now let's proceed. So dear students, here are the few points which you have to follow while you are preparing for your examination. So the first point in the series is prepare your schedule for study. First of all, the very first and very important point is that you should prepare your schedule for study. Schedule, like you have to maintain the timetable, you have to maintain how much time you spend for the particular subject. Like this, you have to make your schedule. Then, organize your study group. You can organize your study group with your friends. Right now, you very well know that you people are not going to anybody's home, so you can organize your study group on WhatsApp, and you can do the group discussion of the related topics. Now, the third one, practice on assessments. Dear students, practice makes the man's perfect, you very well know. So, you are supposed to practice with the help of the assignments which are given by the particular teachers. I hope you understood. Now, the next one, describe your answer to the others. To enhance your skills, you can describe your answer to your siblings, to your parents, so that you can enhance your skills in the answers. I hope you understood. Now let's proceed to the next point. Now the next point is choose the best method for study. You are supposed to choose the best method for study, like you can learn and write your question answers, or you can record your answers, and after it you can listen your answers, and then you came to know about your mistakes. Like this, you can change your own method. You can write, you can learn, or you can take help of your parents by describing the things to them. So it's your own method, the best method for study you want to choose. Now let's take the next point. Now, the next point is take regular intervals. While studying or while preparing for the examination, it is necessary to take regular intervals so that you can make yourself fresh and start the new topic with the fresh mood. Now, 7th, don't cram. Dear students, there is no need to cram the things. Just understand the things, and then there is no need to cram it. If you understood the thing, if you understand the particular topic, then you will be able to do that topic by yourself. Now, the next. This is last but not the least. Take nutritious food and plenty of water. You have to take nutritious food, so that you get energy to prepare for the exam. So food is essential for the energy, and energy is essential to prepare for the exam. So you are supposed to take the nutritious food and plenty of water. I hope you understood. So I just want to convey the message that you have to take these points in your mind and you have to follow these points while preparing for the examination. Please go ahead with this video twice, because in the online classes we will ask your views also, and you are supposed to give your views over there, and these views are helpful to you to prepare for the exam. I hope you understood, and please join the online classes. Thank you. Have a good day.